Mike here. Cops on the hunt, reckless drivers ahead, watch closely. Savannah, Georgia. Officers spot a stolen silver Dodge Ram rolling through town. When the driver refuses to stop, this pursuit explodes into chaos. Stay with me. You'll want to see how this one ends.
Coming up on the 155, he's all over the road, trying to set up the pit again. Tried to pit a second time, unsuccessful.
The Dodge Ram tears down Little Neck Road, forcing another car off the roadway. Troopers move in. First pittee fails, second fails, but the third connects. The Ram spins out, slams the guardrail, and flips onto its side. Debris flies everywhere, and then the truck catches fire.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the I'm not playing! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Hey! We can go ahead and
The driver, 31-year-old Quadramel Williams, is pulled from the wreck and taken into custody. He's facing charges for vehicle theft, reckless driving, DUI suspicion, and more. Arkansas. Troopers spot a Dodge Challenger and try to pull it over, but the driver refuses to stop. What they don't realize at first, there's a child in the car, and this is where things get dangerous. The Challenger rockets down the highway, swerving across lanes. She blows through lights, cutting off cars, pushing way past the limit. And yeah, she actually thinks she's pulling this off. But watch closely. This is where the chase takes a turn.
Still Get on the ground, 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 get on the ground. Get on your face, get on your face, get on your face. Man, get up and put your hands behind your back.
Go knock on the door. Go knock on the door. I don't got nothing on me. Nothing.
What unit was that?
Troopers finally stop the car and pull the driver into custody. She's facing charges for fleeing, reckless driving, and endangering the welfare of a child. Another dangerous pursuit over. But here's the thing. You clearly see a kid in the car, and troopers still go through with a high-risk chase. What do you think? Did police make the right call, or should they have backed off? Santa Rosa County, Florida, deputies spot a stolen Dodge Ram barreling north on State Road 87. The driver refuses to stop, and right here is where this high-stakes chase kicks off. The Ram swerves around spike strips, narrowly missing a deputy. Traffic in both directions. Total chaos. Florida Highway Patrol jumps in, trying to contain him. He drifts into oncoming lanes, reckless at every turn. Finally, near mile marker 48 on I-10, pit maneuver hits. The Ram spins, comes to a stop. K9 units track him down quickly, and 33-year-old Andrew Matyak surrenders. He's facing multiple charges, fleeing and eluding, throwing a deadly missile, reckless driving, resisting arrest, carjacking, and aggravated assault. Newton County, Georgia. Deputies spot a Honda Accord fleeing from a wooded area tied to a missing person investigation. The driver refuses to stop, and right here, this chase takes off. You're not going to want to miss how it ends.
I'm 212 coming up the Picket Bridge. 10-4.
GSP is behind us. We are now headed toward Potts' store. If you'll ask Covenant if they'll back off, we'll let this trooper pit him. They got to get off of his bumper, though.
Jacob, when you pit, we'll spin and pin, spin and pin. Right on with them also.
The Accord swerves violently down GA 212, passing cars and rocking side to side. Subdivisions and a busy roundabout ahead. Troopers line up for a pit. The driver cuts toward a stopped Dodge Challenger, but the pit works. The car spins off the road, hits a sign and small trees. The chase is over. Officers take 32-year-old Jesse Hardiman into custody. The car contained multiple loaded firearms, a stolen license plate, and evidence tied to burglaries. But here's the kicker. A civilian Dodge Challenger was right there in the path. Do you think the chase was handled responsibly, or did it put innocent lives at too much risk? Arkansas, you're not going to believe this. State police spot a Dodge Charger tearing through traffic, refusing to stop. Right here is where it all kicks off.
That's it right there, fast one. Go back off at 91. Get behind the trooper. 91, where you at?
Out of a Little Rock.
I'm behind the front of 91.
Eastbound, if we got any Little Rock units.
Copy. So you get to that thing that they coming up to 118, speeding up 115 and 120. Right, 122, I'm coming up on 118. I go time for TVI, past 118, coming up to Noah Bay. We're going to go overpass, speed 120, passing on the inside shoulder. Okay, 90, I'm about to be parallel with y'all, I'll get on at the 119. 91 to 90, I'm third. 7.
The Charger rockets past cars, easily hitting 115 miles per hour, swerves through lanes, weaving around traffic. Troopers close in, then execute a textbook TVI/pit maneuver. The car spins, crashes, and that's where it finally stops.
Give him your other hand. Give him your other hand.
Officers take the driver into custody. Charges include fleeing and eluding, reckless driving, and endangering others. Georgia. Deputies spot a dark minivan leaving a convenience store with no taillights. The driver refuses to stop, and right here is where it all kicks off.
Milledgeville, we're at Jefferson, making a right, southbound on Jefferson, southbound Jefferson.
Clear, North Jefferson making a right.
We're southbound on Jefferson, approaching Hall, try to pit them right here. We got too much traffic right now to pit, but we're coming up to Montgomery now. Jefferson and Montgomery.
I'll put Jefferson and Montgomery.
Making a left on Montgomery. Left on Montgomery.
We're clear, making a left on Montgomery.
Just went straight through the intersection, and we're coming to a back road back here. Pulling.
We're clear, coming up on this back road.
We're at Hancock.
The van rockets through the lot, tires squealing. He swerves down North Columbia, jumps lanes, blows past stop signs. Troopers keep close, and then pit maneuver. The van spins, flips, and comes to a stop. Crazy scene.
We're clear, there's one.
Milledgeville, pit, roll over, pit, roll over, pit, roll over. Need EMS en route, River Bridge.
Okay, and roll over.
361 Milledgeville. I'm here. 361 Milledgeville. How do I get in contact with her?
We'll be okay, darling.
How do I get in contact with her?
Check the ground for footprints. That'll save you a lot of time.
All right. Listen, okay, we're gonna get you out. We're gonna get you out. We're gonna get you out.
Officers secured the scene and helped the passenger, who thankfully wasn't seriously hurt. Forrest Trees is taken into custody, facing multiple charges including fleeing and eluding, reckless driving, and drug possession. Arkansas, troopers spot a dark SUV tearing down the highway. The driver refuses to stop, and right here is where it all kicks off. Hold on tight, this one's wild.
Correction, we're going back. Eastbound on Cherry. Just notify any county and state police for their assistance, please.
Copy. Would you advise your speed limit?
We're just trying to keep the line of sight right now. They're probably just an exit. The last team turned south on Rain, sort of middle. What was that, 28? Lloyd David Williams, 49 Adam. Right there, turn east on Edison right there.
Jump right on the flea, I was just around the corner. I'm catching up to it. He's coming out of 10. Turn south on me.
The SUV blasts past traffic, swerving and speeding. He jumps lanes, nearly clips a car, and blows through a red light. Troopers stay close, then a sharp turn, and the SUV flips. Chaos on the road.
1037 with it. They're coming straight at me right now. I just rolled over, started 1016, multiple rollovers.
1020.
Nothing Elmwood.
Hands on your back.
Officers move in, taser deployed, and the driver is taken into custody. No serious injuries reported. Another dangerous chase ended safely. Justice served, and the road's a bit safer today.